Hello friends, today we're going to talk about push-ups. In our previous video, many of you asked questions like when to do push-ups, how to do them correctly, and how many reps you should do. Today, we'll also discuss what happens to your body if you do 40 push-ups every single day, and what kind of changes you can expect to see. So, let's get started. You've probably seen people doing push-ups in parks or gyms. Even in the military, recruits are put under a lot of pressure to master this exercise. That's why push-ups are often called a military exercise. Many people believe that if you want a strong, well-shaped chest, push-ups are extremely important. This exercise helps bring out a sunken chest and push it outward. In simple words, push-ups help give your chest a better shape and structure. But push-ups don't just work your chest muscles. When you do push-ups regularly, they also increase the size and strength of your shoulders and biceps, making your entire body more muscular and powerful. If you do push-ups every day with proper form, there will come a point where your muscles start to pump up, your strength increases, and you begin to feel much stronger overall. There are many different types of push-ups, but in this video, we'll focus on the basic push-up, the one beginners can easily start with. So first, let's learn how to do a push-up correctly. To do this exercise, first place your palms flat on the floor and slowly lower your chest down until it's close to the ground. Set your hand position based on your chest size, keeping your hands slightly wider than your chest. Keep both feet together, straight and parallel. Hold your head straight and look forward. Now place your toes on the floor, lift your heels up, and support your body weight on your hands. Slowly push your body up off the ground. Make sure your entire body stays in a straight line. Don't let your body sag or bend like this. Pull your core in tight, just like you see in the video. When your arms are fully straight, pause for a moment and exhale. Then slowly lower your body back down in a controlled way. Your hands stay in the same position, only your elbows bend. Lower yourself until your body is just about to touch the floor, then stop. Keep your legs straight and your feet together at all times. This completes one rep or one push-up. You should aim to do 40 reps total. If you're a beginner, start with just 8-10 push-ups a day, then gradually increase the number. Within 1 month, your body will start to look noticeably stronger and more fit, and your overall strength will improve. Now let's find out what benefits push-ups give to our body. Tips. Number 1. If you are very thin or underweight and the food you eat doesn't seem to help your body, or you have digestion problems, then start doing push-ups at home. Twice a day, morning and evening, on an empty stomach. Within a few days, you'll notice your digestion improving, and your skinny body problem will slowly start to go away. Number 2, if you're struggling with excess body weight and can't seem to control it, you should also do push-ups in the morning and evening. At first, push-ups may feel very hard and heavy, but as you stay consistent, your body will adapt. Within a short time, extra fat will start to melt away, and your body weight will come down to a healthy level. Number 3, if you feel weak, lazy, tired, or low on energy, push-ups can help a lot. Doing push-ups regularly boosts your energy levels and brings strength back into your body. Number 4, doing push-ups consistently helps increase testosterone levels in the body, which is very beneficial for men. It helps make your bones stronger and brings new power and confidence to your masculinity. When you do push-ups, your muscles experience intense pressure, which forces the body to build and shape muscle. That's why your muscles start to look more defined and muscular. If you do push-ups continuously for 30 days, your arms, chest, back, and shoulders will become noticeably more muscular. Number 5, push-ups are one of the best exercises you can do anywhere without going to the gym and without using any equipment. This single exercise works almost every muscle in your body. Push-ups also improve your body posture. If you have a habit of slouching while standing or walking, push-ups will help you stand straight and confident. So friends, let me know how you liked this video in the comment box. Don't forget to like and comment, and if you found the video helpful, share it with your friends. And make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy and stay strong.